Hello and welcome to Cybersecurity Guru channel. This video is on cybersecurity jobs in India. In recent years, cybersecurity has become a crucial aspect of our daily lives as more and more of our personal and professional activities are conducted online. With the increasing number of cyber threats and data breaches, there is a high demand for professionals trained in cybersecurity in India. There are many career paths within the field of cybersecurity, including ethical hacking, network security, web application security, cyber forensics, and information security management. Some popular job titles in cybersecurity include security analyst, security engineer, and security consultant. India is home to a growing IT industry and a large pool of talented professionals. The country has also become a hub for global companies looking to establish their presence in the region. As a result, there is a growing demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals in India. To start a career in cybersecurity, you should have a strong foundation in computer science and be familiar with programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. You should also be familiar with operating systems such as Windows and Linux. Many organizations also require a certification in cybersecurity, such as the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or the Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE. The average salary for a cybersecurity professional in India ranges from 4 to 15 lakhs per annum, depending on experience and skill level. With the increasing demand for cybersecurity professionals in India, the salary for these roles is expected to continue to rise. In conclusion, if you are interested in a career in cybersecurity, India offers a wealth of opportunities. With the increasing demand for cybersecurity professionals, the time is right to start exploring your options in this field. Thanks for watching this video on cybersecurity jobs in India. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Cybersecurity Guru.